Hi guys, I'm Reyhane. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful cover book. You can use it for notebook or book, and you can use it with different color. As you can see, I use a lot of color for this, and for this tutorial I use a hook. The number of hook is 1.75 millimeter, and we need a scissor, a needle, and a yarn. So let's go to see how to crochet this beautiful cover book. But before that, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you. For make this beautiful book cover, you need a lot of this small motif. You can see it in different color. You can make it in just one color or more, but I prefer to use a different color to make it. So let's go to see how to crochet this beautiful motif, small motif. They are so cute. And then see how to crochet book cover. For first round we need a magic ring, so you can make magic ring like this. Put your hook under this part and then above of this part. And make a magic ring. Then here we need 2 chain. Now we have 3 chain above of this magic ring, and then into this magic ring I'm going to make double crochet, 1 and then 2. Then I'm going to make 2 chain and then double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Then again we need 2 chain. So into this magic ring we need 4 of this set. Now I have completed this 4 sets. As you can see, I have 3 double crochet and 2 chain between this double crochet. So for end again we need 2 chain and then make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain exactly here. Now we have this shape, and then again I'm going to arrive here, so we need to make a slip stitch in the next stitch exactly here. And then before I arrive here I want to change the color of the yarn. I choose a green color, then I put the color yarn here, and then put the hook here in the next stitch, yarn over with these 2 loops, and then again put your hook here in this hole, again yarn over and make a slip stitch. Try to hide the extra yarn here, then make just 3 chain. And here in this hole we need 2 double crochet, so 1 and 2. Now we have this shape. Then we need 2 chain, and again in this hole we need double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. So I have this shape. Then I'm going to cut the extra yarn. Again I want to make this shape here in a next hole, so I put my hook here and then make again a 3 3 double crochet, and then make 2 chain, and again 3 double crochet. So it is 1, then 2 and 3. So we have this set. You must complete this set into this hole and again into this hole until you arrive here. Now I finish this round and I make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain and then cut the yarn. So you must use needle to hide the extra yarn between these stitches. Okay, for next step you need more of this small motif. So then you must choose your book or your notebook. I prefer notebook. This notebook, as you can see, this is the size of notebook. I put just one of these small crochet here, and then I understand we need 3 of this motif here. As you can see, if I put this together, you can see 3 motif crochet is enough for this part, and for this part we need 4 of them. For example, this and this. So then I guess we need 12 of this small motif crochet for this part. So I make 12 of these. Then for the back of this book or notebook, again I need 12 of this small crochet, and for this part I need just 1 of them, as you can see. So again I need 4 of this motif crochet for this part. Then when I put this motif into this book, I need this for this part. I need of this again. So we need again 4 of these for this part, and again under this part another part. So totally for this notebook I need 36 of these motif crochet, but it depends of the size of your notebook. So make it and then put it here, then here, and then here, then count them and make it in different color. Okay, let's go to the next part. Okay, now for next step I'm going to attach these 2 motif crochet together. I prefer different color of yarn and I choose white color yarn. So put your motif crochet back to back and then put your hook here into this hole and here like this. Hold your yarn between your finger and yarn over into this hole and make just 1 chain, and then again in this hole we need just 1 single crochet exactly here. Make just 1 single crochet and then put your hook here in the next stitch of this motif and in the next stitch of this motif exactly here, and then yarn over into this stitch and make just 1 single crochet. Again put your hook here and then here yarn over into these 2 stitches and make just 1 single crochet. So again repeat. I will show you slowly. You can see and learn how to attach these 2 motif crochet together. Now I arrive here into this hole. I put my hook here into this hole and again make just 1 single crochet. So as you can see, I attached these two motif crochet together with single crochet. Now for the next step, when I attach these two motifs together, I want to attach these two motifs together too. So again, I put these two motifs back to back and then put the hook here into this hole, and then again make just one single crochet, and again like before, put your hook here into these two stitches, yarn over between these two stitches and make just one single crochet, and again repeat until you arrive here. Then choose another color and then complete this, attach these two motif crochet together. Now I finished this line of these two small crochets. As you can see, if I put this here, it is finished, and complete this part, and then this is two. So for the next part, I want to attach these two parts together and this part together here, and then here I want to attach these are together. Now I finished this round and I can put here to see the size. Okay, now I want to attach this part together. So again, put them, these two motifs together, and put the hook here, yarn over, make one chain, and again make single crochet. Then put the hook in the next stitch of these two motifs, and again make a single crochet. So I continue as this. Then I cut the extra yarn. Again here make just one single crochet. Now I arrive here in this hole. Again I make a single crochet, as you can see. Then I go to the next hole exactly here, and again just one single crochet, and again continuous this set. So as you can see, I attach these two parts together. So keep continuous this for this part too. Now I finished this round, as you can see. So I can put it here. But as you can see, if I put this is here, we need more of this crochet to this part. So again I add this motif here and here for this part of the notebook or book. Now I add this part, as you can see, and then for the next step I want to make this part, make single crochet round of this part. So again I put the hook here into this hole and make just one chain and one single crochet, and then go to the next stitch and make just one single crochet, Again, in the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. As you can see, so I keep continuous this single crochet around the fleece, and when we arrive here into this hole, we need 2 or 3 single crochet, and then just 1 single crochet in each stitch. Now I finish this round, and then I use a needle and put this part together, then attach them like this. Again, put the needle here between these stitches. So you must do this until you arrive here. Then attach these 2 parts together, and then these 2 parts, and here these 2 parts together. Now I finished this round. As you can see, I attached this part together. So now I can put the notebook here into this part. Yes, and then here you can fix it with your hand. Now it is finished. As you can see, it is so cute and very beautiful. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video, and if you have any question, put your question in comment part. And if you want to know how to crochet another pattern of this book holder, please ask me into this comment part. Thank you.